Hi everyone, welcome back to Sri Sampath Vinayaka Learn Easy channel. Now in this video we are going to discuss the think and discuss, try this, do this examples of the exercise 11.3 of the chapter trigonometry. In this, the first think and discuss is for which value of acute angle cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4 is true is asking. Okay, and the second question is for which value of the theta which lies in between 0 and 90 the above equation is not defined is asking. This is the second question mark. Okay, now see, for that given we have to write the given is cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4. Okay, just take the LCM here. 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is our LCM. So cos theta into 1 plus sin theta and cos theta into 1 minus sin theta in the numerator value is equal to 4. Now multiply this one, cos theta into 1 cos theta and cos theta into sin theta cos theta sin theta. Cos theta into 1 cos theta and cos theta into minus sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Here see this cos theta sin theta and minus cos theta sin theta are going to be cancelled. Now cos theta and cos theta 2 cos theta. 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta means 1 square minus sin square, that is 1 minus sin square theta that is equal to 4. 1 minus sin square means we know that is cos square theta by identity. If you want to write simply sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. No? By this we are going to write this 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So that value I am going to write here. Okay, here see 2 1s are 2 2s are going to be cancelled. Send this cos square theta to that side. Then 2 cos square theta is equal to cos theta. Now take out the cos theta as common from the two values. Cos theta into here 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 0 or 2 into cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, as we discussed, to calculate the value of theta, we have to convert both LHS and RHS into a same type of trigonometric ratio. So here we are having cos theta. So cos which value gives 0, we have to check in the tables. We know that cos 90 is 0. So cos theta is equal to cos 90, by that theta is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, 2 cos theta is equal to 1. Then cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos which value gives 1 by 2, we have to see. Cos 60 we know that. Therefore theta is equal to 60. Okay nama? So these are the two values we obtained for theta, that is 60 and 90. But in the question itself, he stated that for acute angle is set. As theta is acute angle, theta is equal to 60 degree. Out of these two values, one value is considered. And in the second question, for which value of theta that is lies in between 0 and 90, the above equation is not defined is asking. Yes, for the value 90 degrees it is not defined. So that is why theta is equal to 90 degree. At that theta is equal to 90 degree, the given equation is not defined. Okay, see example 8. Evaluate secant 35 by cosecant 55 is asking. Okay, we'll learn the trigonometric table for the specific angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees. But we don't know the trigonometric ratios for the angles 35 and 55 degree. Okay, if you are going to have such type of angles in the question, then you have to do one thing, that is you have to add them. Is the two angles complementary angles or not, we have to see. That means either their sum gives 90 or not, we have to check it. Okay, see, firstly add these two angles 35 plus 55. Yes, this is equal to 90 degrees. So express one angle in terms of the other. Okay, nama? 55 degrees. Just I expressed that 35 degrees as 90 minus 55. Then write secant, you may write that 35 as 90 degrees minus 55 degrees whole by, don't change the other angle ma. You have to write that as it is. So secant 90 minus theta. We know that secant 90 minus theta is nothing but the formula cosecant theta, that is cosecant 55 degrees. By again it is cosecant 55 degrees. Okay, these two are going to be cancelled, then its value is 1. Okay na? Here I change 35 degree. If you want to change 55 degree into 90 minus 35, yes you can. So then you have to remind that secant 35 as it is. Then you have to write in the place of 55 as 90 minus 35. You are again going to follow the same procedure. Here we used one formula, that is secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Okay, we used this formula here. Okay, now coming to the next bit, example 9. In this example 9, he is saying that if cos 7a is equal to sin a minus 6 degree, then he is asking you to find the value of a. Okay, we already discussed, to calculate any unknown value in the trigonometric equation, we have to first convert the given trigonometric ratios into a same ratio on both sides. See ma, here I am having cos on left side, sin on right side. So I may convert this cos into sin or this sin into cos ma. So see, cos theta can be expressed as sin 90 minus theta, we know that. Given cos of 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6 degrees ma. See, I am going to convert this cos into sin ma. So cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, we know. So I am going to change this cos 7a as sin 90 minus 7a. I don't want to alter this sin a minus 6 degrees. On both sides sin we are having. So remove that sin ma. Therefore 90 minus 7a is equal to a minus 6 degrees. Okay. Then 90 plus 6 degrees is equal to a plus 7a ma. That is equal to 8a degrees is equal to 96 degrees. 8 ones are 8 12s are. Therefore a is equal to 12 degrees ma. Example 10. If sin a is equal to cos b, then prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees is asking. Sin a is equal to cos b he gave. We already discussed. In any trigonometric equation, if he asks you to find the relation between the angles, okay, now then we have to do one thing, that is we have to convert both left hand side and right hand side trigonometric ratios into a single trigonometric ratio. That is, here I am going to convert this sin into cos or cos into sin ma. See, given first we have to write, given sin a is equal to cos b ma. Now here I want to change this sin to cos ma. Then sin a is equal to cos 90 minus a, we know that cos 90 minus theta means sin theta. And now use this cos b as it is. Both sides cos only now. Remove that cos. Cos, that is 90 minus a is equal to b. That implies a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Finished. Or see ma, you may do this as sin a is equal to, see ma, sin a is equal to cos b. Sir, I don't want to change the sin, I want to change cos. Then do that. So sin a is equal to, again this cos b is expressed as sin 90 minus b ma. Okay na? That implies both sides same trigonometric ratios. Okay na? So a plus b is equal to 90 degrees ma. Okay na? Either of the two you have to follow. Now example 11 ma. Express sin 81 degree plus tan 81 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 to 45. That means these sin 81 and tan 81 are going to be expressed in the trigonometric ratios of 0 to 45 degree ma. That means see, I have to write its complementary angles. Sin 81, first write sin 81 plus tan 81, it is given. Okay. So can I write this 81 degrees as 90 minus 9 degree? See ma, 81 means 90 minus 9 only, no? Now similarly tan 81, tan 90 minus 9 degree. Okay na ma? So here see, sin 90 minus theta, this is cos theta. And tan 90 minus theta, it is cot theta, that is cot 9 degrees. So in this way we are going to express sin 81 plus tan 81 degrees into the angles between 0 to 45 degrees, that is cos 9 degrees plus cot 9 degrees. Example 12. If A, B and C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, then he is asking us to show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. It's a very important problem. See first, given in triangle ABC, okay na, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay na? He asked us to show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. That means B comma C are on the same side of the equal to. So use that B and C on the same side and transfer this A to the right hand side. So both the B plus C by 2 and A by 2 is there. That means by 2 is there. So just do by 2 by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 means 90 minus angle A by 2. Understand Now see to that B plus C by 2 I am having sin. So apply sin on both sides. By applying sin on both sides, it is going to be now sin angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to sin of 90 degree minus angle A by 2 Okay, see sin 90 minus theta, we know that cos theta, that is cos A by 2. Our answer is proved So sin angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Okay, this is our required answer. Okay, Nama?